All right, here we go for our July 2nd workouts. You are going to start with 3 sets for strength of 8 floor press, 12 lateral lunge steps, and 16 scissor kicks. So I'll start to demo the 8 floor press per arm. So you're just going to lie down on the floor with your dumbbell or a weight of some sort. And all you're doing is pushing it straight up over your elbow. So you want to keep your shoulder, your elbow, and your wrist in line. And you want to lower it fairly slowly so that you don't jam your elbow and wrist into the ground. So it's just press up, slowly lower it down, press back up. And you want to do 8 on each side. Making sure that you're using a weight that is challenging enough for you. Like for some things, you know, a 5-pound weight is a lot. For these, I would say that you ladies could handle the heaviest dumbbell that you've got, 15, 20, 25 even, if you've got it. So 8 floor press each arm. Then you're going to go to 8 lateral lunge steps. You can hold your dumbbell in the front if you would like, or you can just do it non-weighted. These are pretty challenging to me. But you're going to step out, make a big step to each side, and lunge down as far as you can go before your other foot starts to come off the ground. And until, you don't want to put any pain into your knees. So you just lunge down, push up, step back together, 1, and then do the other side, 2, 3, and so forth. And so again, you're going as far as your range of motion allows you to go. You can hold a weight if you'd like to, but make sure that you keep your chest up. A lot of times when we hold weight, we tend to let the weight pull you down, and that's going to put the emphasis on the wrong part of your body. So chest up and both feet planted firmly on the ground while you do these lunge steps. 12 lunge steps total. And then 16 scissor kicks. And for the scissor kicks, we're looking for our legs to scissor back and forth like this. So hopefully you can see that from the video. So ideally, you're going to be in this hollow hold position with your head off the ground, your feet at about 6 inches. You can put your hands behind your head or down by your side, or however you want them really, and you're just scissoring your feet. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth. If that gives you a whole lot of strain on your neck, then you could lightly hold your neck up. Try that first, and if that's still too much pressure on your neck, make sure you're tucking your chin in. But if it's too much, just lay your head down and then do the scissor kicks that way. As long as you are feeling it in your core, then that's all that matters. Then for our workout, you're going to do 1 minute on, 1 minute off times 8. So it'll be a 16-minute or 15-minute workout really, if you don't count that last rest. So 1 minute of work, 1 minute of rest. That means on your SmartWide timer, you'll need to choose Tabata, and then you'll set it for 1 minute of work, 1 minute of rest, and then it should say how many sets do you want it to do, and you would choose 8 sets, and that way it'll count for you. And we're going to be doing 8 plank burpees, and then max reverse burpees. That means as many as you can in the remaining minute. So the plank burpee, we're just looking to get down into a good plank. So you're just putting your hands down, jumping back into your plank, jump or step your feet up, stand and jump. You can clap overhead or just raise your arms. So I'm going to do about 3 in regular motion. So it'll just be 3, 2, 1, go. Reach down, jump back, jump up. 1, 2. You can also step up. 3, step back, step up. 4, however you need to do it. Get into the plank and then stand up. Get into the plank and then stand up. 8 times. And that should get your heart rate really elevated. Mine is really elevated right now. and then you're gonna do max reverse burpees. Chris thinks these are the worst movement in all of CrossFit and all of fitness, but I kind of like them. It's a total full body movement. So here's what a reverse burpee looks like. You go down, lie flat, sit up, jump and clap. I could not do it like that when I first started at the beginning of quarantine. The point is, you just need to sit down, you need to lie back, and then however you need to do it, you need to sit up, and then you need to stand up, jump and clap. So as fast or as slow as you need to go, a reverse burpee is just lying down on the ground and then sitting and standing up to a clap. They are not pretty, but they are very efficient and effective. So in 1 minute, you're gonna knock out the 8 plank burpees and then get as many reverse burpees as you can. You'll rest for a full minute. It's almost a full recovery. And then you get right back to it. You're gonna do it 8 times, 8 working sets, which makes it 16 minutes total. This is gonna be hard, but for your intensity purposes, you are trying to get at least the same number of burpees each round, if not more. So the first minute, go out with a moderate pace. Keep moving, don't rest, but just, move at a moderate pace. And then after that first round, then you can see what your body can handle. And let's try to either keep it consistent or get 1 or 2 more every round that goes by. All right, I can't wait to see your scores in SugarWOD. Good luck.